Hi, my name is Mike Hold. I am with the Field Support Services Group for nVent Thermal in North America. And welcome to RAYCHEM Connects, where we connect you to the products. Today we're going to be discussing prepping or stripping of SR cables with nVent's SR stripping tool. And that's this handy little tool right here. It's got a protective shield. It's got different blades for using the stripping the inside polymer, the outside polymer of an SR cable, as well as blades here and here, as well as in the handle, and we'll show you how we use them all. Number one, because we are using sharp object, please make sure you've got cut-resistant gloves on. So, let's get started. I've got my cable installed to the point where I need it, and now I'm ready to run it into my JBS box. And I've left my service loop as typical per any installation. Now I just need to peel off and expose my bus wires. The nice part about this tool is that it does have sort of a predetermined length, which happens to match which is in the manual for how long you need to have your bus wires. So let's get started with number one, running around the outside edge. You can see how quickly it does cut. Number two is going to be using these hook blades in here. And we just simply put that underneath the polymer jacket and we pull down. This actually helps in not making sure that we don't cut our braid wire. From here we go back to what's typically or what's in the manual, which is to push out the inside polymer. That can be challenging on a cold day, so take your time. So now that I have my braid removed, now I can move to the inside. Again, there are predetermined measurements on here to help you determine what length you need to leave, which is typically an inch. And again, we'll use the inside blade for this. I run it around, break it apart. Using the hook blade again, I come inside and gently pull down. You don't need a lot of force with this. And there we have exposed our conductive core for the XTV. I should add this product, this tool is also good for our other solid core products, which would be BTV, QTVR. And I'll show you how we use that in a minute. Now that I've stripped this apart, I just have to remove my spacer wire. And then we're pretty much good to go to finish off the installation. So once I mark it, then I can attach it. Now I mentioned about our solid core products, and I have an example here, which is BTV. With the solid core products, it's a challenge sometimes to pull that bus wire away. So what they've done is they put little blades inside here, and all I have to do is place the BTV with the inner conductive core on that blade, and it's a little bit of pressure, and I pull it through one way, and then I pull it through on the other side. It makes a small incision, allows me to take my pliers and simply pull it out much easier than conventionally what we've done in the past. This is what we used to use, which was a knife. The problem we always had is we seemed to always want to cut through the braid. This tool eliminates that problem. If you have any issue or any questions related to any of our products, please consult the manual, contact your RAYCHEM rep, or actually go to our website. Thank you for joining and have yourself a good day.